Hi friends, today I am showing how to make vegetable omelette. This vegetable omelette I will make very simple way. So ingredients are needed: two number of egg, then after needed chopped carrot, then after needed chopped beans, then after needed yellow bell pepper, then after needed chopped parsley, then after needed capsicum, chopped capsicum, then after needed 1 tablespoon chili sauce, then after needed salt to taste. This is the ingredients of vegetable omelette. So let's see the next step. See friends, I take a bowl, then after added the egg, broken the egg properly. Broken the egg properly, then after added chopped beans, then after added chopped carrot, then after added chopped parsley leaves, and after added chopped capsicum, then after added chopped bell pepper, then after added 1 tablespoon chili sauce, and after added salt to taste. Now these eggs beaten well properly. This vegetable omelette very delicious, and you also eat this vegetable omelette. This is the for snacks, very delicious snacks item, and mainly so many kids are this omelette like this. Not only kids, everybody like this omelette. You also take snacks or breakfast, very delicious. And you also added you will added black pepper powder and other Indian masala. This is the optional. Now this egg beaten well properly. Now let's see the next step. Hence, refined oil already we added, and now refined oil very hot, and now added the beaten egg into the hot refined oil. Remember, when you will make this vegetable omelette, then always flame always medium. You have to always flame medium. Do medium. See friends, this is the beautiful color, and spread properly. This vegetable omelette very delicious, and you also take breakfast and snacks item. Friends, now vegetable omelette. Now cover it for 2 minutes. Cover it for 2 minutes. This vegetable omelette 2 minutes is now covered or done. Now this vegetable omelette is now ready for serve. See friends, our vegetable omelette is now ready and ready for serve, and we are garnished with tomato sauce and chopped parsley. This is the looking very beautiful. If you like this my video, then please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. Thank you so much.